How to sign up and register. A student can sign up and make their tuition payment at PERCOM's online store, percomcourses.com/shop, using a credit card, PayPal Standard, or PayPal Credit. Check PERCOM's Facebook, Twitter, and websites for possible coupon codes for discounts on tuition or other services. We also offer military and returning student discounts. To receive your custom discount code, please contact PERCOM support, send your information, and once qualified PERCOM will issue your custom code. Personal or company checks may also be used, but payment processing will be much longer. After the tuition payment has been made, there is a processing time of approximately 1 to 2 days for the payment to fully clear. Once it has, the student will receive an email stating that their order has been completed, and inside that email will be the link to PERCOM's course registration page. When you have clicked the registration link inside the email, it will take you to this page for EMT, AEMT, and Paramedic. The registration pages for EMS Instructor and Advanced Placement programs are similar to this one. If you did not find this link when signing up, please contact PERCOM support and the link will be sent to you another way. The registration process consists of 4 steps, beginning with the background check sign up. Complete the background check using the appropriate link in Step 1. Step 2 is for requesting your class at emstesting.com. The emstesting.com website is the approved test bank for our research and final exams, and will be used frequently by students. Step 3. Download the entrance document for your program, initial, and sign either digitally or physically. Once completed, save the signed version as a PDF file for sending to PERCOM admissions. Step 4. Fill out the form with your personal information, and attach all the requested documents. When complete, click the Submit button and wait for the page to notify you that your submission was successful. If your form submission does not fully go through, which can happen from time to time, please send all the included information and documents directly to PERCOM admissions at support@percomcourses.com, or patrogers@percomonline.com. PATROGERS@percomonline.com